So come with me, I shall walk you through into support and resistance. But however, before we go into the practical explanation about support and resistance, let's understand what is support. Now, think about support as a place where the price stop pushing down and push up. Why think about resistance as a top of a trading where the markets stop pushing up and start pushing down. So imagine my palm. This is the bottom, is the support, and up is the resistance. So for every time frame in the market, there is a support and there's resistance. So when we say a ball is bouncing in between the support and resistance, it literally means that it's testing the support and resistance. And many traders take advantage of support and resistance and make very good amount of trading. So at the end of this video, you'll be able to understand what support and resistance is in a practical way. So let's go to trading view as I show you what support and resistance is all about. Support and resistance and be able to identify it. Very good. My chart is already on the 1 minute time frame, so we want to identify what is the support and resistance in the time frame. So if your chart is not showing it, we are analyzing BTC USD, so let's identify support and resistance. And mind you, for every peak, for every minute, there is always a support and resistance. But for you to be at a more safer side, it is better you zoom the entire chart so that you can understand trend pattern. Within the trend, you can understand support and resistance. So for me, I would say here within this is a very good support and this is a very good resistance. Let me just use this horizontal line here. This is a resistance. There was a resistance at 678. This is a resistance, and yeah, this is a resistance level. This is a resistance level, and this is the support level. This is another support level. So this is a support level for me. Here is a support level, and here is a resistance level within this. So many traders can decide to take a trade within this time frame at 671 and sell within this particular place. We'll take a shorter trade from this to this, so depending. So this is a 1 minute time frame. Let's change it to 5 minute time frames. I know you will be wondering why we are selecting 1 minute, 5 minute. I'm starting from the smaller to the bigger. So as you can see, the 5 minutes to some extent have corresponded, but on the 5 minute there is a breakout structure within the support and resistance. So it broke the 1 minute support and created another support here, and here is a resistor on the 5 minute chart. I don't know that I get it. There was a breakout structure within here on the 1 minute down here. It means that our support now is at 66521 on the 5 minute chart. So let's go more expanding. If you have not watched my video on time frames, please quickly do that. Go to the YouTube channel and you'll see the time frame you need to know. So on the 5 minute do not necessarily break the support on the 5 minute. It didn't break the resistance. So on the 15 minute, it still maintained the support and the resistance. As you can see, the line that I have drawn is still active. This is a very good support and resistance. So many traders can decide to trade in within these zones depending on where it's hitting. For example, if BTC should go back to 6575, you can take a shot down to the 5 minutes support, or sorry, to the 1 minute support, or to the 15 minute or 5 minute support. Also, let's look at a bigger time frame support and resistance. Let's look at the 30 minutes. Fine, 30 minutes is still maintaining the support and resistance. Yeah, the 30 minutes is still. Let's look at a bigger time frame like 1 hour and see. 1 hour, yes, 1 hour to have. Still look at that. So, but you should understand that when there is a break here, just know that we are going to hit the next fair value gap here. We're going to hit the next fair value gap here. So there's a fair value gap here. If there is a break on this, then the next may be this, and then finally here. So identifying support and resistance helps you to understand when to take the trade and when to exit the trade. So Hope that video was helpful. If you have any question, don't forget to drop comments and I will respond to you quickly. And if you need any video you want me to do to you on support and resistance or any trading indicator, to comment on the comment section, and I will definitely do the video next or answer you on the comment section. Thank you very much. And don't forget to click on like, subscribe, and share.